Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here. The entire crew is out. We're going luging today. You guys can hear the river gushing down beside me. You guys, the sun is out. A lot of the snow has melted. It won't be snowing until after we leave again. So we are making the use of today. Hold on. Why is the camera so dark? We'll be making the use of today. So we're going luging right now with the entire crew. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day and is enjoying today's vlog. I'm trying to pay attention because if I slide down this, it won't be cute. It won't be cute. So you have my sister-in-law, you have my brother-in-law, you have the kids, cousins, babe. We're all going luging. Et le jumeau, c'est tic-tac.
Ça, elle a fait ça au rayon enfant. C'est toute la 14 ans, ça.
Oui.
Sur la glace.
Moi, ça coûte cher pour ma soeur qui va en mettre,
Je l'ai appelé au rayon enfant. Elle est tranquille, là.
Sarah?
Sarah, c'est la princesse, hein?
Oui.
Oui, c'est Sarah.
Princess Sarah. Sarah, the princess. While everybody walks, she gets to ride. Tout le monde dans mon champ, ça s'appelle toi le meilleur cuisinier. Going luging. Anyway, you guys, we'll catch you guys when we get to the spot that we're going. So, it's the first time to the fan bam. Be sure to subscribe and catch me and keep up with us. Bye. Hey. Hello. The whole squad.
What you doing?
Ballon, Mélissa.
Go!
Walk, Tata, living our best life, best son life. Living my best life. Look at Tata living our best son life. Sarah want to go. She wants to go slide. Look, through ice and tonton. What did he do? What did he do? What? Dis coucou, Tata.
Coucou, Tata. Elle est où ma beauté? Sarah. Oui, photo. Ma photo, tata, ma photo, tata. Ma photo, tata. 3.
You guys, Ty just have a little accident. Ty, you okay? It hurts still? It soon feel better.
Sarah.
Ty hurt his knee. Go with Papa. Go with Papa. Go with Papa. Papa! Papa, your daughter. Go slide with Papa. Go. So you can't go too high, huh? And you have to hold her. Please, go with Papa. Huh?
Come with me.
Me?
Yeah, I mean you come with me to the departure point.
Sarah going to slide with Papa. You sit.
Hold on.
Sit, Sarah. Ah. She ready now? Foot in. Foot in. Voila. This. Put your hand in her arm. Like this. Sarah, ready? Bye. Foot up, babe. Your foot up, babe.
Go!
Bien, Jules. Pourquoi tu t'es arrêté? Regarde Mélissa. Avec Sarah.
Elle s'arrête pas.
Ouais, c'est ça. C'est jusqu'à la boîte de toi, en bas. Tu veux partir avec maman et papa?
Elle a fait un arrêt. Ah, c'est un arrêt brusque, hein? Boum!
Papa et tonton. Oui, papa et tonton. Allez, go!
1, 2, 3.
Ah, Séville ne papa. Look at me, oh là là, oh là là, oh là là.
Ce qui est bien, c'est que faire une vidéo avec tous les 3, c'est jamais possible. Il y en a un en haut, un au milieu, un en bas.
Tu fais quoi, monsieur?
Allez, bébé.
Look at tonton. Woo!
Hey.
Say hello. You want to sit? Oops. Oops, 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 oops.
Wash your
Hands, wash your hands.
Déjà, arrête de faire ça.
Hello, Sarah. Sarah, what you doing? Sarah. 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 What you doing? What you doing, girl? Look at Sarah living her best snow life. Princess. Look at these two.
Mama,
Oui. Do what?
one snowman over there, like that we do snowman.
Hello, Lulu. Hey. Oh. cliff comme maman. Maman, oh my god.
J'adore l'île, mais j'ai jamais tombé.
Ah, c'est vrai?
Ouais, je travaille. Hein. En vacances, je
This boy, look at him down there catching Snowball.
Sarah fait dodo. Dodo.
Oui,
Sarah, c'est bien comme ça. Ok, elle s'éclate pas.
c'est par la sieste.
Mais non, après ça fait mal.
Par exemple, elle s'est pas éclatée.
Merci.
Pour qu'elle vient d'éclater.
De plus en plus vite, hein,
Oui.
Allez,
Regarde,
Faut tout remonter jusqu'en haut.
il ne tombe pas.
panier.
Ah, ça y est, il en a marre, il arrive.
Il ne tombe pas. Il a fini.
Ah, je crois qu'il en a marre.
Elle s'est pas éclatée.
Hein? You got my baby sleeping. My girl fell asleep. She's out cold sleeping in the snow. My ass is freezing.
Oh, champion.
But we're finishing the cold now. We're going inside to have some goûter.
Bah si.
It's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve, you guys.
Donne-moi le
Il a rien fait.
But the kids had so much fun.
Il était juste là pour
Look at Tyler.
c'est tout.
And babe.
C'était, tu vois,
Hi, babe.
Jules, tu prends au moins les bouteilles, je prends les luges.
Oh non, non, non.
Si, on va.
On top of the world.
Non, je prends pas le bus.
Bah si, tu prends
Tyler.
Les bouteilles, tu prends.
les bouteilles. Papa, il va.
Donne-moi les luges.
Mon pantalon, il est
Non,
No, Ty finish. Ty finish now.
Hey guys, it's time to go home. We stop at the little playground, so here they have a nice slide, have things on top. So yeah, the boys are somewhere in it. I don't know where exactly, but look, it looks fun. It looks fun. Like there are things here. One is here. I see one on top here. Tyler, where are you?
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
T'es où, Tyler? One's on top. Ah. Let's see if we can see them. T'es où, Tyler? Ah, je vois ton Spider-Man. Tyler is here. I don't know, guys, if you see it. Let me zoom. Oh, he was here. Let's see. Okay, his cousin is here. Oh, Tyler is here too. Tyler! So this thing is kind of big. Like a big tower. Oops, wrong zoom. And Tara is on top.
Hi guys, you guys, the kids had so much fun. Well, we all had a lot of fun out earlier, luging and having a good time. Right now we got back to our cabin and everybody got fresh and we're heading down to my in-laws cabin to have goûter and relax a bit for the evening. And it's New Year's Eve, so we're also gonna have dinner, everybody together tonight. We're gonna have Gute come back home, and then later on in the evening, the night, we're going to go back to have dinner. So that's what we're up to right now. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. And yeah, outside is there's snow, but a lot of it has melted. Melt, because the weather is just not as cold. We're not getting any snow, and we're just making the best of what it is right now. But yeah, we're still having fun.
Dis-moi ça.
Oui.
Et non, je veux dire, le paquet, il y en a qu'un ou...
Non, il y en a d'autres.
Chocolate bomb.
Comme ça. Ouais.
My sister-in-law make chocolate bomb. Inside have marshmallow.
Les Picards là, sachet Picard.
Juste un.
She's gonna put the milk on it and then the marshmallow opener. She make the best crepe. Best crepe.
Faut que je l'entraîne tout à l'heure.
I'm ringing in the new year, you guys.
Ça dépend de ton entreprise.
Moi c'était 9 €.
Après, j'ai un maximum de
Et je sais plus si moi je payais pas un truc comme 3,50 € dessus et la boîte qui payait
une partie.
5,50 ou un truc comme ça.
Moi, ils vont 9 €.
Dinner clip.
Pas de moins, mais lui,
For New Year's Eve dinner.
Lui,
Tyler don't want the cheese. Tyler not a big fan of cheese. He's not very French. But Papa, yeah, you love everything.
des couleurs
That's Tyler's cousin.
Notre dîner.
Oh, j'ai confondu. Tout le monde a pris des... Maman dit tellement t'as pris goût. On va où? La fête. Sometimes it's inside you.
You guys, it's 2020. Sarah is sleeping. Tyler is sent off to bed, and we are going to bed right now. So thank you guys for look at him. New Year now, and he not change. New Year and him not changing.
Is the rabbit 22 is the rabbit year.
I just want to tell you guys, thank you for riding with us throughout 2021. It's a new year, and we thank you guys, each and every one of you, for every second that you've watched, for every click that you've clicked, for every recommendation that you've recommended. Thank you, and we look forward to bigger and better and great things for 2022. So let's go team, let's do this. Ready? 2022?
Hell.
Let's go. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.